Welcome. In front of me is ASUS VivoBook Go, and in this video I will show you how to record screen on this laptop. So to do this, you can either use the print screen button or the F11 button, or if F11 button doesn't work for you, check out the FN button in the at the bottom of your keyboard, and if it's lit up like this, that means that your secondary functions of your function keys are locked, and to unlock them, press and hold it and press escape button along with it, and then F11 will be working for you. And the last option is the shortcut of Windows Shift and R buttons. So once you use one of these buttons, you'll be able to proceed to record the screen of your laptop. Now you'll see the bar at the top of your screen, and you'll have to select the record option right here. Once you have selected it, select the area of your screen that you want to start recording, and once you select this area, you will see these two icons right here. Clicking this icon will unmute your microphone, and clicking this one will mute your system audio. Now to start the recording, click start. I'll let the application access your microphone, and once the recording is started, everything that happens within the selected area will be shown on your screen recording. Now you can pause the recording clicking this icon right here, and then enable it again by clicking this button once again. You can stop and save the recording by clicking the red square icon, or you can delete it by clicking the trash icon. Something just lagged, I think. Let's try again. Okay, so we have the recording selected. Let's start it. Okay, and to stop the recording, press this red square icon right here, and once you press it, you will see a preview like this. Here you can trim the video using this tool right here, or you can edit this video in the clip champ if you click right here. Now if you want to find this video in your file explorer, you have to open it, go to the videos folder, then select the screen recordings, and here will be the screen recording that you made. And that's basically it. Thank you for watching this video. If you liked it, consider subscribing to our channel, leave us a like and a comment below, and I'll see you in the next one.